Signs of sun damage. Sun-damaged skin becomes rough and patchy. It can have red blotchy spots or hyperpigmentation. It becomes inflamed easily. Prolonged sun exposure can significantly damage your skin. Here are some natural ways to heal your skin from UV damage. Number 1 natural source is cold aloe vera gel. Apply a layer of cold aloe vera gel every night to replenish the lost moisture barrier and reduce inflammation. Number 2 natural source to remove suntan is raw milk. Use chilled raw milk on your skin to reduce the impact of heat on the skin. It also helps with a tan as it contains lactic acid. Number 3 is rosewater and camphor. Mix a pinch of camphor in chilled rosewater and let it sit on your face for 10 minutes. This can significantly reduce irritation and inflammation. Number 4 is cucumber mist. Grate a fresh cucumber to extract its juice. Add a few drops of lemon and glycerin and use it as face toner to combat sunspots and hyperpigmentation. Last one is Multani Mitti. Multani Mitti and curd face pack can help in reducing sunburn. Wash the pack before it is completely dry and finish off with a light moisturizer. Conclusion: to avoid damaging your skin further, opt for double protection from the sun with a chemical and physical sunscreen. Drinking plenty of water is also important.